is sticking to that because that's what's been holding it on there. It's actually going through and doing it. So this, I can feel it. Oh, wait a minute, where'd it go? Very little, but it's there. Right there, it's catching a lot. What about here? Come on, that magnet can't be that strong. We may have a problem here, guys. Yeah, it doesn't. But as soon as I put this center to it, I feel it. So that magnet, you see it? That one's okay. Sticking to that one. So it all depends on where this sits, but I can't afford to have it in the wrong place, especially in the middle, because in the middle is where the main screw is. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to put this back. I'm going to try to put it back anyway. Come on, get up there. Stop sticking to it, you pain in the ass. There. Now I'll take you, put you back over there. Now, here's what I do have that may do the trick. I got these little puppies. There's one. I don't want it up there. I don't want to touch that, not yet. I do have another idea, and it's not going to be a big deal. But let's do this. Let's put this here first. That doesn't bother it at all. Put it over here. No. Okay. How many do I have? I got 5. So 4 plus 1. And seeing that they're not going through, we're not going to have to worry about it too much. Okay, but what I'm going to do, I'm thinking about eliminating these screws. Open up, make it a nice round hole. And I got to see if I have what I think I have. Because this will work just as good. Wooden dowels. Wooden dowel. A wooden dowel. So let's see. Put this like this. Get off there. Let's put this here just to get some lined up. So I know what the hell I'm doing. giving me room for sanding and destroying. Yes, I am. Put this one back. Now, if I have to, I can thread this and use it for the center. If I have to. Alright, so what we're going to do is take one out at a time and drill it. So let's go over here. Yeah. Yeah, I think this has a little bit better field of view. I don't know. Maybe just me. So what size do I want here? Let's turn that heat down, okay? You know, it's nice looking out. A little bit of cloud, but the sun was shining. But last night it rained. Yeah, it did. Alright, let's see what we have. I want to be sure. I think this will do it. If you waddle off anywhere else, it's not going to do it. There's no, you know what? I need to go first. Yeah. We'll just take out one screw at a time. Yeah. I did. See, that went down there. It didn't come through, but it went down just enough to where it was picking it up. This one is only into here, so that big magnet was actually grabbing through all this. All right, now let's do a test hole first. Let's see if this is one that I need. Just go straight down. I want it to be a little snug. No, it's not snug enough. Okay. Okay, go small. Let's take this one out. A little smaller. This one's smaller. I don't think so. It's the same, it's not bigger. It's actually a little bit bigger. Okay. Oh, okay. What's this tell me? That tells me that that's the size I want right there. So what size is that? Do we not have sizes on this thing? Quarter. I may have to go into my new bits. Well, they're not new. They are new, but they're cheap. This may do it. Let's try this. Let's try this. How's this one go? That's it. That's it. Okay. However, it may not be long enough. Well, that sucks. Okay. Hold on a minute. This one's about a quarter inch short. Now, it would be good if it just at least broke. Okay. We have a longer one. Good for me. Lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Yeah, I'm a lucky son of a gun. Okay, now I'm going to bring this up a little bit. There. All right, now do we have something on here? Nice, 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 nice. Okay. That's a nice. Because we're going to have some gizmo going on there too. You know the gizmo. The gizmo. I'm wondering, do I want to go a little tighter?